Hello, today we'll be discussing about dimension-based configuration. It is one of the configuration technology used to create a product master. So basically, the product master contains of the product variants. However, with the configuration-based technology, with the use of the bill of material, we can generate a product variants by enforcing limiting the combination in the BOM itself. So what is the bill of material? Bill of material is the collection of items under one product master. So the overall process of the configuration based technology is that the product master is created with the BOM components and configuration groups are created. So in the bill of material, the each lines are attached to the configuration groups, and to these groups the rules are added, like limiting which combination to work together within the BOM components. Then in the product master, the variants are generated, and these variants are used in sales order or purchase orders or any other transactional forms. Let's go step by step. First, we'll configure the groups. We'll create a product masters, the BOM components, and to the BOM components, we will attach the configuration routes, configure the rules, generate the product variants, and attach images to each variants. Then finally, we'll use the variants in the sales order example. So the first step is to create a configuration groups in Dynamics 365. You need to recognize how you can group your multiple configuration into groups. Example, in my system, I'll be having 3 different products: the Halloween pumpkin theme with the winter, a Harry Potter theme, and the rainy theme. So what I have done, the product earmuffs consider as head accessory, and the scarf toward the low accessory. Similarly, in this product, I have selected this. I'll be using this as a configuration group. And in this product, in the rainy theme, I'll be using umbrella as a head accessory, and the boots will be considered as a lower accessory. This is depending on the organization needs. To create a configuration groups, navigate to product information management, and under setup, click on configuration groups. Now see, I have created 2 product groups. One is a top accessory and another is a lower accessory. Now go back to product master. Click on new on the released products. So however, once you create a product, it is important to tick a product subtype as a product master, which is very important for this feature to work. Once you select the product master, then assign the product number, product name. So product will be the Halloween pumpkin. As soon as the product master is selected, the product dimension group, we have various options, like the combination of the variants could be color, size, style. For this example, we'll be using only the configuration type. The second option is to use a configuration technology. This is what this video is all about. So we have 3 configuration technology. One is the predefined variants, dimension based configuration, constraint based configuration. In this video, we'll be discussing about the dimension based configuration, which works with the BOM. In the product master, I have selected the item model group as standard, and one item group, storage dimension and tracking dimension. So my product is created, pumpkin Halloween. However, we need to attach the BOM lines. So these are the BOM components. The product which I created previously are not these. These as a products will be under that product master, and this is what it is called BOM components. To create a BOM components, first we create a normal items as a normal products. Under the release products, navigate to release products and create new item. So I'm creating the first item, assign the product number, and note that product subtype is product only. Again, it could be a product master, but for this tutorial we are just using the product, and the product name is scarf, and rest of the settings are standard. So Halloween pumpkin was our product master. You can see the configuration group attached to it is a config, and I have created further 6 items: scarf, glasses, umbrella, boots, earmuffs, and of course the raw pumpkin. Now the created products will be attached or will be assigned to the product master which we created earlier. It was Pumpkin Halloween. So navigate to Engineer tab, click on BOM versions. Under this form, click on New. Note that the BOM structure is BOM versions, then we have a BOM. For this example, we are using just one BOM version and one BOM example. So when I click on New, I have the option to select a BOM version and BOM it together. Select BOM and BOM version together. Name a BOM name as Pumpkin BOM. Once the form opens, this is how it looks like. In the bill of material lines, assign the product which we created earlier as a BOM components. In this line, you have to select these BOM components. So this is what I have selected. Just recalling that HLW002 is the glasses, 3 umbrella, 4 boots, 5 earmuffs, 6 is the raw pumpkin. Now this is how the BOM once created looks like with the product name. Now we'll be assigning the configuration groups to each BOM components. For example, for the scarf, what the group should be, it should be head accessory, correct? For the glasses, head accessory. For the umbrella, again it's a head accessory. Rain boots, of course, low accessory. Earmuffs, again the head accessory. And scarf, low accessory. This is how we have assigned the configuration group to each BOM components. Now select header. Once the header is selected, navigate to configuration route, and the system will allow to add only those configuration groups which is assigned in the lines page. Just select the two configuration groups, head and lower accessory. So the next step will be assigning rules to each configuration group. Click on head accessory, then click on configuration rules. So the rules will give you the option what will happen if you select one of the item and what will happen to the derived group. For example, HLW003 is the umbrella product and it comes under head accessory. As you know, in the BOM components we have all these items together. However, during the selection process, if the umbrella is selected, so what should happen to the combination? I want to select the derived item as HLW004 to be a part of BOM, which is the rain boots. Even though we have selected the head accessory group, I can control the lower accessory group items also. It's all about the selection. If again the umbrella is selected, then I don't want to select the HLW001, which is the scarf for the lower accessory. And again, I don't want to select the glasses. And when the HLW005, the earmuffs are selected, then I don't want to select the umbrella, correct? And when the earmuffs are selected, then I don't want to select the product glasses. However, if I select the earmuffs, I will select HLW001, which is the scarf. And again, if the scarf is selected, I don't want to select the rain boots. This is all the combinations. And system will give error if there is a circular reference, I mean back-to-back reference to each other, if the rule is duplicate. For the lower accessory, the one possibility remains is that if I select the HLW001, which is the scarf, I don't want to select the rain boots. Now in the same form, we have the option to check any errors in the configuration rules. As said earlier, there could be a circular reference, or there is an error in the calculations or selection or deselection. System may behave not correctly. So it is important to check before approving. And when it is selected OK, then system will give the notification that everything is fine in the configuration rules. Now, as I said earlier, we have a BOM version, then we have a BOM. So we have to approve the BOM first. Approve the BOM. We approved BOM. Now we have to approve and activate BOM version. Otherwise, it will not work. Approve and activate. Once it is approved and activated, at the BOM lines you can see the status. Also, I want to show you the designer view. In the bill of materials, click on the designer view to see the list of BOM components. See, all these BOM components are now appearing under the bill of material number 00150. Now, we'll see the product variants. Before generating any product variants, I want to show you for the product master which we created under the variants, there are no lines, there are no variants at all as of this stage. This is what we're trying to do. We will generate a variants as per the configuration rules. If you click on the variants, everything is blank. Now under the engineering tab, click on maintain configurations so that we can generate the variants as per the configuration rules. In this form, click on configure. System will give the option. This is the top configuration route and the lower configuration route. Select the item, then the lower accessory behave accordingly, which we have specified in the configuration rules. For example, I have selected HLW005, which is the earmuff. So we expect the system to select the scarf. Select the earmuff, system automatically selects the scarf and doesn't allow you to change this line. Click OK. Then the next page, name the description, see the lines appearing and press OK. This same line can be also available on the sales order at the runtime. However, in this case, I'm predefining the variants. Similarly, we'll create the configuration variants for Harry Potter theme and the rainy theme. Go back and click on configure again. See, the winter configuration is created with these two. Now you will be asking what happens to the pumpkin. The pumpkin will be defaulted on each variant because the pumpkin is not assigned to any configuration group. This is important thing. So any BOM components which is not assigned to any of the configuration groups will appear as default line on each configuration or any variants. So we'll create more themes. Click on configure. Now select the item as HLW003, which is the umbrella, and we expect the system to select the lower accessory as boots. Name the description as a rainy theme configuration and press OK. Now we have a winter theme configuration. Next we'll create for the Harry Potter theme. Again click on configure. Now similarly we have the Harry Potter configuration. Now going back to the product variants, click on the release product variants under the product for the product master. Now we have three product variants. We have to name a proper description, and we can also change the image or upload the image for each different variant for the same product master. So I am uploading the image for the winter theme. Click on new, browse the image, and we are done. Similarly, upload for remaining two variants. Then we'll change the description. Under the translation, name the appropriate product variant name, which will appear in the sales order or purchase order forms. Now we'll be showing this example in the sales order. Click any sales order and add the line. Select the Halloween pumpkin. This is the product master only, which contains all the bill of material. Once this is selected, still we need to select the variant number. The variant number is the variants which we generated earlier, 3 different combinations. However, on the runtime also we can generate. Select any one of the variant and add 3 different lines repeatedly for the same product master. So we have 3 variants under the same product master, and we can see the different image under each sales order line. Even though the item code is same, we have a different variant number. To see what is the inside recipe of this product master, there is an option called bill of material explosion. Click on the sales order line. Under the explode, click on BOM lines. This is the option system try to replace the sales order lines with the BOM components. For example, in this, it consists of 3 items. So here more 3 line items will appear. However, don't click OK, just click on the bill of material lines just to show you that what this product master contains of. So see, we have 3 product lines here as a BOM components for the winter configuration. So what are they? HLW001 is the scarf, 005 is the earmuff, and HLW006 is the pumpkin itself. However, note that the pumpkin is not associated to any of the configuration groups. That is why it is defaulting here. Whereas the earmuff and the scarf are associated with the configuration group. Now the same option which I have shown you in the sales order line can be used in sales quotation lines, purchase order line, production order line, and item requirements in the project form. For more discussions or queries, please feel free to put a question in the comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible, and follow my channel, follow my blog. Thank you so much.